Hi, on this blog we'll concentrate on how the recovery plans works. So first of all we need to answer the question why we should use the recovery plans. So recovery plans allows us to automate the restoration process, which is beauty because everybody knows that they don't have enough time to have a testing procedures and a recovery. So we don't if we don't want to wait till this disaster or the data loss will come or any VM app or whatever we protect, we should cope and use this feature in daily or weekly basis. So where we should start the conversation. So you can see here the great example. In the last 24 hours, we have some problems. So first of all, we can wait to have this problem, or we can cope with it to creating the recovery plans and get the notification for the administrator if anything goes wrong. So you can see here that we can create more than one recovery plans. Right now we have two we got, related to the VMware or the Red Hat virtualization. I will go to the Red Hat virtualization one. So you can see the name, the priority, but also different rules. So it means that we can have a different rules. So right now we have a weekly recovery. Let's add the rule, name it daily recovery. So I would like to take some virtual machines based of the specific hypervisors. You need to keep in mind that vProtect allows the widest range of the supported different hypervisors. So we are in a Red Hat virtualization. So let's go here. Yep. Let's find some. Let's grab two VMs that I would like to recover. Let's schedule it. Shall I have a daily recovery basis or weekly? Let's do it daily recovery parameters. And this is interesting because we have some choice that we can make. Is that less successful means that we take only the successful one. So I showed you the example that we have 16 failed. It means that the recovery plan will not take them under the process. They will take the last one successful. But I'm preferring to take in this one, and it's much more aggressive, but it gives you 100% sure where your backup and recovery platforms if it's doing the good job or not. So last one is regardless of status, just recover, and if it will failed, just inform the administrator. And okay, if we would like to restore, we need to pick where we should restore this data. So directly to the hypervisors or maybe to the some file system. Here we have an example that we choose in the Red Hat virtualization. We have one of it installation. We can use the cluster. We can choose the storage. It's only one. We can use the original name or change it, and we can delete existing one. Of course, if we are planning and have a testing recovery, I'm not allows or recommend to use this feature. But imagine that we lost 100 VMs and we would like to start in the recovery procedures, then it's a great option to use this tab and delete the, let's say, failed machines, for example, if they were treated by ransomware, etc. So different rules. Oh, I haven't saved, but if I saved, then we have a 2, no worries. So I just want to explain that where the schedules are here. So you need to be aware that we have a schedules for the virtual environments, snapshot, application, and recovery plans. So when it will happen, every day, even with weekends, at 2 p.m. And you can see that this schedule is attached to the two different policies with the recovery plan. Okay, I hope that I explained the value why you should use recovery plans. Just remind that recovery plans allows you to automate the restoration process with every hypervisors that we are protecting VMs or the containers or the cloud. Uh, so I recommend that every administrator that using the vProtect today should be able to use this feature in a daily basis, at least weekly basis.